Hello everyone guys, I'm glad to welcome you to my new video, glad to welcome you to our channel. And in this video I want to tell you about another strategy that I personally use for trading. This strategy was developed personally by me. I'll explain its essence, the principle behind it, and I hope you'll be able to understand it and make money together with me. I've been in trading for a very long time and I've had both losses and gains. That's why I want to take a moment to share my experience with you, to tell you my own story in a bit more detail. For example, just last week I found myself in a situation where I was able to earn some pretty decent cash, which was both surprising and rewarding for me. And that's just in 1 week of trading. That's about $20,000 to $30,000 in total, depending on various factors. But that's not the point, guys. I'm doing this to help you truly understand, to assist you in making money. So let's get straight to the strategy itself. Alright guys, for trading, I've chosen the EUR/USD OTC pair. And I'm currently trading on a broker called Pocket Option, which in my personal opinion is at this moment the most relevant, the newest, and also the most innovative broker among all those that are available on the market today. I've actually been working on this platform for quite a long time already. There are lots of different interactive features here, such as various indicators, candlesticks, and more. Guys, everything is designed for you, for your convenience. There's even, imagine this, a chat where you can communicate with other traders, and there are some tournaments as well. I really like this platform, and now let me explain the essence of my strategy. I've set up several technical indicators such as the super trend, the D marker, and the MACD, which stands for moving average convergence divergence. As we can see right now, the super trend indicator is currently showing a clear and strong upward trend. The MACD suggests that the currency pair is moving toward an overbought level, and the MACD also highlights the specific candles where there were buy and sell crossovers. Let me show you a clear example so you can see for yourself and believe me. We're going to open a $1,000 trade for an upward move for 30 seconds and immediately we get a bullish candle. Guys, that's an excellent result. I'm confident that I can make money with my strategy because this isn't the first time I've used it. Yes, it might seem complicated to you, but guys, if you look into it, there's really nothing to it. By the way, this is especially for those who don't want to figure it out themselves. In my Telegram channel, which you can find in the pinned comment and very easily join and subscribe to, there's a special program called Social Trading. You simply copy my trades automatically, and as you can see, they work out on their own without you needing to do anything extra. We make a profit. And also guys, thanks to copy trading, you can generate income just by automatically copying my signals. So you don't need to figure anything out, all you need to do is connect and then complete your registration with the broker where I have a partnership program, and that's it. In general guys, I have a lot of products that I'm ready to offer you in my Telegram channel. Just go ahead and check them out. All of them are absolutely free and don't require any financial investment. I'm doing all this for you, to help you make money. Unfortunately, by the way, this trade is going into the negative for us, but that's okay. We can see that a downward trend is starting, that the candles are about to go down. And that's why we're opening a sell position, guys. I'm doing this simply to help you get started and earn money together with me. For me, it's like giving a part of myself, a piece of my soul. I remember very clearly when I was just starting to trade, I spent a really long time searching everywhere for some reliable and trustworthy source of knowledge to help me understand and figure things out. And for me personally, that was a really big and significant problem. I lost a lot of valuable time because of this issue, so now I have decided that it was absolutely necessary to create my own dedicated Telegram channel for learning and sharing knowledge together with my good friend Moore. And so we've already made $2,000 from this video, guys. Just by explaining my strategy, an excellent result. Let's open another position because I want to increase the profit a little more. By the way guys, about increasing the profit a little bit. Many traders often have this common problem. They want to trade strictly according to one particular strategy, but in the moment they can start to get carried away. They completely forget about their strategy and lose their entire balance. That's why discipline and clarity of mind are so important in trading. You can also learn how to achieve this. We have a Telegram channel and basically I talk about this topic there. I often share some live formats as well as some personal life stories that are very meaningful. I have a Telegram channel, so there you can find some useful tips for yourself or perhaps some helpful tips for a friend. I really enjoy running all of this and it makes me very happy to see your support. Already there are now more than 5,000 amazing people in my team who are actively trading together with me every single day. This is truly an incredible and outstanding result that just makes me feel extremely happy and grateful. Guys, please go ahead, do not hesitate, join in and start earning together with me as part of this wonderful community. There's nothing scary about it, the main thing is to get started. And we've already made $3,800 during this video. Let's open one last trade, let's do $1,000 so we don't lose too much, just in case. So we can see that right now there's a buying trend. At the moment, it's really not the most favorable or ideal time to open a trade. So let's wait just a little while longer as I tell you one of the interesting stories from my own life that I personally encountered during my trading journey. I remember there was a particular time quite a while ago when I was just starting out in trading. Back then, I honestly didn't know a lot of things and I was eager and wanted to make quick money, guys. And after my very first loss, after the first trade that went bad, I immediately started placing more and more trades and ended up losing my entire balance, guys. You shouldn't do that, and in fact you absolutely must not, because you're not controlling the situation is controlling you. We're opening a position for a decrease. And that's why, guys, your discipline is so important. I really learned this from my own experience, and I hope you'll actually learn from mine so you don't repeat my mistakes. So guys, there are only 10 seconds left until our trade closes. For now, I just hope it closes in profit, hopefully soon. As we can see right now, the currency pair is very unstable. The trade lost. It's okay, I'll just open another one. 2 trades in advance. That is so that I'm not doing this simply because I'm getting carried away or acting impulsively, but rather to win my money back and in addition to make some extra profit on top of that. Guys, let me tell you, this is actually a very effective and winning strategy that has worked for me. This is also my personal life hack, a special tip that I'm sharing with you all right now. So, as you can see, we're immediately getting some really good, strong bullish candles appearing on the chart. All 3 of our indicators are matching and pointing to growth. So, we follow them and open upward trades, and there are only 3 seconds left, guys, before we take our profit. A very confident and successful trade, and now the balance is $11,668, an excellent and impressive result, which is exactly where I'll end this video, guys. Also, I want to remind you that we have a Telegram channel, and in this Telegram channel we offer a variety of different products. I always answer your questions, provide helpful advice, and so on, guys. So, go ahead, subscribe, and stay with us for more updates. Guys, actually, this isn't the end of the video yet because I wanted to show you my bot. I really like this product. I worked on it for a long time. As you might remember a few videos ago, I've already been releasing videos about my strategies. But guys, all these strategies are already loaded into my analytical bot. What can we see here? We go to the main page of VORTEX Bot. Here there's also a button right here to activate the bot, which is a very helpful feature. Additionally, there is a step-by-step manual provided for your convenience. In other words, first comes the signal, second is opening the trade, then we lock in the profit and withdraw our funds. So, guys, we also have a detailed video guide here on how to activate the bot and so on and so forth, guys. There's nothing complicated about it. Here you have live trading results, meaning people who are trading in real time, their profits are shown. This is a really cool feature. As you can see, people are actually making money with my bot. It has more than 15 different strategies, over 100 different indicators, excellent market analysis, and a great win rate for this bot. 90%, guys, that's simply the highest win rate on the market. We also have some detailed statistics available here, which means you can see real-time trading information. The awarding spot users statistics display a total of 1,600 active traders, the overall amount of their trades, and as you can see, the win rate is currently an impressive 94%. And just below you can see the partners we actively work with, such as a variety of different payment systems, and of course Pocket Option itself. Everything here is really well made and thoughtfully designed, guys. I put a lot of effort, time and dedication into developing this bot, and I sincerely hope you won't just pass by this product, but instead will want to get it and try it out for yourself. So how do you get it? We click the Activate Bot button and enter your UID. After that, we press the button. Check your ID. The bot first checks whether we're properly connected to Pocket Option, and then we get the bot. Guys, from here on, it's all simple. You set up the bot for your currency pair, wait for the signal, and that's it. So guys, I'm already on the trading page where we'll be receiving the signal. As you can see, there's also a list of active traders here, as well as AI quick signal and manual mode. We go to the manual mode section, select the currency pair, let's say USD OTC, and choose the time frame we want to trade on. Here it ranges from 5 seconds to 15 minutes. As we can see, the start signal button appears right away after setting the currency pair and time frame. Now we just wait for the signal. Vortex is now analyzing the market. It contains a lot of different strategies and various indicators. In other words, the analysis is as accurate as possible. So all we have to do is wait for the signal and open a trade on the currency pair. Here we receive a simple buy signal, that is, the arrow lights up green. And right now, an impressive 74% of users have already opened a trade for an increase. A noticeable buying trend is starting, which Vortex suggests we should support and take our profit. Let's keep a close eye on the market and make the most of this opportunity, guys. I hope this information was very useful for you, but still, most of the information, you already know exactly where to find it in my official Telegram channel. We put a lot of effort and dedication into developing this bot and our strategies. So guys, once again, we ask for your support, likes, comments, subscriptions, and to join our Telegram channel. See you all next time.